Okay, so this is the Bluey Scavenger Hunt game. My daughter obviously love Bluey and Bingo. So it's like a nice cooperative game that you all work together to play. It's for kids 3 plus and 2 kids or 4 players. 2 players or 4 players can play it. So we are going to play this with my daughter. She is 4 years old. And we are going to play this game and I'm going to show you this whole thing. So let me unbox it and show it to you. So Virti, do you want to come here? Sit here with Papa while playing this game? Okay. Come on, let's come here quickly. Yeah, okay. So now we open it. Do you want to open? Do you like Bluey and Bingo? How much? Little bit, right? How much? Oh, you're not going to speak? So how much do you like Bluey and Bingo?
Yes.
This much? Oh wow. So let's open it. Tell me who is who in this picture?
Debbie and Bingo.
Right, can you point out? Who is this? This is Bluey and Bingo. Okay, where is Mama Papa? Okay, can you show me in this photo here? Who is this?
Debbie,
Hmm?
Bingo,
Hmm?
Debbie, Bingo, and Mama.
Okay. Let's see everything. So here is the game that
Timer.
yeah, and this is the timer. So you can see she has played games like this. These are the cards.
I know it's everywhere. It's the timers.
And these are the
it's
things
like
and the coins. And these are all the characters, I guess. Bluey and Bingo, Mummy and Papa. So let's play. So it's like
This is
2 to
the
4
friend.
kids. So let's play.
This is the friend.
Yeah, these are the friend. I think purple one is the friend or something. I don't know.
This is, and this.
Yeah. So let's open this and let's start playing. Okay?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay, sit down here. Okay? Let me open all of this and start playing. These are the cards that you can see. You are supposed to place it all the cards in the right place. So obviously these cards go here. Careful. Yes. Now put all the cards, Virti. Put all the cards. Yes. Put these two also. Okay. Next we are going to start putting all of these cards, coin cards here. So from what I understand, the toy cards, I think they go here. And I guess this is the timer. So we are going to start now. Okay, so the time token, you are supposed to actually play it on the start time. And the goal is to collect all the toy tokens, right? Once you essentially collect all the toy tokens, you are good to go. Okay. Now, I will try to take Bluey and my daughter will try to take Bingo. Abhiti, which one do you want?
On the right one.
Okay, Papa is going to take the purple one, okay? Papa is doing, I put the pink here. Yes, and then put this inside it.
Oh, so.
Yes. Slowly. Good, very good. And you can see we are learning a little bit. Now, we are just 2 of us we are playing. Now, each of the cards ask you to do something. If you do it and you need to do it in this time, allotted time, if you complete it in the allotted time, then you are good to go. Right? You get a toy card. If you don't, then you don't get a toy card. Right? And whenever you end up a time, you are supposed to move the time. Now, if you collect, both of you are playing and you collect all the toy cards before this thing reaches here, then obviously you win. Now, when you reach one of these rugs, then you can pick up any one of this card and do any one of the activities. So obviously there are different ones, like there is this surprise, there is this find, there is this play. Different cards have different things which we are going to show you. Yes, so we are going to start playing now. Okay, Virti, I'm going to put it here. Papa is going to put it here. Okay, are you ready to play? Okay, do you want to play first here? Play it here on this 4. I want you to move 4.
Bingo?
Yeah. 1, 2. Oh, it's a time card. Let's move the time. You can pick up a toy.
Yeah, toy.
Yes.
I get the balloon.
1. Oh my god, Papa landed on the find card. Let's see what it says. Okay. I have to find something white before the time runs out. Okay. Okay, time is running out. Hey, I found a paper. White, right? Good. And you're supposed to do so. I found it within the time. So obviously I get the toy card and I do not lose the chance.
Yay!
Oh, sorry, just one. And that's how each card has instruction you have to follow. If you complete it within the time, then obviously you win. If you don't complete it within time, then obviously you lose. Now, kids have to be careful that they are not really going somewhere dangerous and picking up something dangerous. So you have to be careful a little bit if your kids are running somewhere. But it's a good game to have. Can you please play now?
Kiwi.
3. 1, 2 and 3. You also have to find something, okay?
Okay.
Vicky, you have to find something black before the time runs out. Anything black.
Black.
Yes, good job. So she found something black. It's like very big, so she can obviously not pull it here, but she did touch it. So I'm going to give her the toy.
I did. It's hot.
Yes. Okay. And I'm going to put this back here. So we both got the same thing, but that's not the case now. 4. Vicky, can you please move Bluey 4 times?
Lady, but it's yours. Because it's your turn.
1. Yeah, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
I want to use a play card. Pretend to be Bluey. Uh-oh, I don't know this. I have not really seen the Bluey cartoon. Vicky, can you do this for me instead? Pretend to be Blue. Can you pretend to be Bluey? Can you act like Bluey? How does Bluey act? How does Bluey talk? Can you try? What does Bluey say? Anything? No, you don't know? No, it's okay. So because I could not do it, none of us get a toy. Uh-oh. Vicky, your turn.
Daddy, I got this.
4. Okay. Same. Can you move 4? 1, 2, 3.
This card.
3. You're 3 only. You have to do 4. 4. 1, 2, 3.
My brother started.
Yeah. Do you want to pick up the play card?
No, I want to pick up the gift.
Hug the person to your right. Where is your right hand? Yes, hug the person to your right. Quickly. To your right side. That will this side. Hug the person to your right. Oh, good job. You did it within the time zone. Good job. Here is your toy. Okay, I'm going to put this back down. Okay, and we are going to play. And I'm going to show you hopefully some more cards once I get something else. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, still the find card. I'm going to show you the think card and the surprise card as well. Okay, so Virti landed on this double clock, which means we have to move this 2 steps. This is not good. It's almost bad time. If we don't get all the toys, we will lose. Oh. So we will continue to play and I'm going to show you other cards. Okay, so this is the rug. I landed on the rug, which means I can pick up any card. Now we have done find and play, so I'm going to... Yeah, so I'm going to do the surprise card, right? I could do think card, but I don't really have... it's a bad surprise. It means put a toy back in the toy box. So the surprise card can be good or surprise can be bad. Okay, Virti, your turn, please. Play. Okay, so she landed on the play again, and now it says sing a song. Virti, can you sing a song? Yeah, come on, sing. Start. Thaki. Nijama. Good job.
गोपवी अवधारता निजन्मता पहला ज 64
प्रभु अरिहंतने पंचांग भावे.
Good job. Okay, here is your toy. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now we are going to continue to play and hopefully we will get the think card as well. We have shown you all the card once, but hopefully you get the think card. Next card. 1 start from... No, do it properly. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4 in the rug. 5, 6.
Okay, question mark. Think. What do you do when you hear the magic xylophone?
What?
Huh? When you hear the magic xylophone, what do you do? Do you know the Bluey Bingo game show? What do you do when you hear magic xylophone? So the answer to these questions are in this page here. So, what do you do when, have you seen this magic xylophone in Bluey Bingo?
Huh?
Okay, so you have not really seen all of the episodes, but looks like you're supposed to freeze. So anyways, like you're supposed to, if your kids have seen the game, they would have the answer. Yeah, so we don't really know, so we will not get the card. But that's, yeah, all the question answers are in this sheet here. And if you answer correctly, then you get the card. Toy. So now we are going to complete the game and show it to you at the end. Virti, good. You have to know you're on the timer. So we moved the timer once, but take the toy. We got the last toy. We got all the toys. We win. Yeah, so we won the game and we were very close. We were very close to the bedtime, but we won. Now we are going to put all our toys back in place, right? Right, okay. So that's how you're supposed to play the game. Very fun game. But for the thing card, your kids obviously need to have seen the show. But it is fun game. It has a lot of different questions. Let me show some of you. Jump 5 times, sing a song. What else? Hop on one leg 5 times. Pretend to be bingo. Pretend to be a queen. Spin around 5 times and so on, right? Tell a story. Lot of fun cards for kids. In the find one, you have a lot of these things. Something round, something rough, something black, something white, something yellow, something shiny, something special, something soft, and so on, right? In the surprise, it is like move to any space, put a toy back in toy box, move to think space, put a toy back in the toy box, like a lot of different things. Go to any space a friend is at. So we are together with somebody. So these are all the cards. Move to any find space. So there's a lot of different options like this, and obviously the think card has a lot of questions related to the show. What type of dog is he? What type of dog is she? And so on. So fun game for kids, and yeah, very happy with it. Okay, thank you.